Getting out into nature is a great way to spend your free time, whether you're hiking, camping, or even flying your drone. But it's important to follow a few guidelines to ensure that not only you enjoy your time outside, but that others can as well. Drones allow us to see things and experience nature in ways we otherwise never could. But it's important to be courteous to others' privacy while flying your drone. Don't fly over campsites, public areas, trailheads, resorts, or ski areas. Avoid spooking livestock and wildlife. When getting to your flight area, make sure to stay on the trail and get permission before flying on private land. Remember, camp only where allowed. Respect all signs and barriers. Prepare for the unexpected. Don't disturb historical or archaeological sites, and pack out what you pack in. Be sure to have the correct permit for all commercial photography and videography from the appropriate government agency. And remember, recreational drone use is prohibited in certain locations, including national parks, wilderness areas, and some state parks. It's always a good idea to check with land managers for rules, regulations, and restrictions. When flying your drone, make sure to keep your drone in sight at all times. Check your drone and make sure it's in good working order before your flight. Read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Keep away from airports, helipads, and other restricted areas. And always be aware of your surroundings. Travel responsibly. Drone usage is permitted in many areas. Be sure you're in an applicable drone zone. When flying in national forests, special guidelines apply to protect natural and cultural resources. Respect the rights of others. Do not fly over groups of people or public events. Educate yourself. Fly your drone at or below 400 feet. Take a skills course and know how to safely operate your drone and software. Avoid sensitive areas. Do not fly over or near wildfires. Flying responsibly in drone zones helps protect natural and cultural resources. And remember, motorized vehicles aren't allowed in designated wilderness areas. Do your part. Keep your drone in line of sight, do not fly in enclosed areas, and ensure you have permits and licenses for your intended use. When you're using your drone to experience nature in new and wonderful ways, always keep others' safety and sense of serenity in mind. After all, the great outdoors are for all of us, which is why it's always important to tread lightly.